Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to Cash App. You can use this method for any cryptocurrency, like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Let's get started. First, it's important to note that you cannot transfer your Trust Wallet balance directly into your Cash App. Instead, you need to use a crypto exchange as a middle step. For this tutorial, we'll use Binance because it supports withdrawals to Cash App. Start by opening your Trust Wallet. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, then tap the Send button. Now, switch to your Binance account. Tap the Deposit button and select the same cryptocurrency you're transferring. Next, choose the correct network for your coin and copy the deposit address. Go back to Trust Wallet and paste the Binance deposit address. Enter the amount you want to send and confirm the transaction. It may take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your Binance account. Once your cryptocurrency arrives in Binance, the next step is to convert it into USD. To do this, open the Binance app and tap the Convert button. Select the cryptocurrency you've deposited and convert it to USD. After converting to USD, go to the P2P trading section in Binance. Tap on the Sell button. In the payment methods, search for Cash App and select it. Choose a vendor offering a good rate. Then, tap Sell and follow the instructions. You will need to provide your Cash App username, also known as your cash tag, and your email address. Double-check that you've entered the correct details. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to be transferred to your Cash App. This process usually takes around 30 minutes, but it could be quicker depending on the vendor. That's it. You've successfully transferred your cryptocurrency from Trust Wallet to Cash App using Binance as a bridge. Thanks for watching.